Riverside Plaza, gentrified magic, abracadabra, feel like you in Africa. City getting blacker, crackers getting nervous, swerving down Cedar with cognac in my thermos.
And outfits that cost more than the whip. As bad as it looks, nigga don't question the drip. Cause I'm all about my herbs and cheese like Italians. I'm in the Chrysler from 06, still bagging these stallions. If I own it, I ain't in it, dawg, that shit is childish. Until it breaks down, I'll continue to run up the mileage.
You can never do what I do. I'm putting on for the city, plus I influence to you. Your shit, how you talk about his bitches and hoes. That shit played, I hit play and I'm instantly bold. I got a different approach. I inspire all the niggas with goals, with dreams and visions that's bigger than most. I can't limit they hopes. You ain't nothing like that image you post. I'm about my business, boy, just watch all the digits I gross.
I found a shelter in the shadows, man, you sinking in the clouds. I know you saw it, I know you about to find out. I need you now.
That's why I stay humble.
Some of the time, but all of the time we always gon' ride, we roll like a tire. He blowin' my line, he won't know the name and the price. I text him and told him it's fire. If I'm in a bind, I call on my brother, he really my keeper, I love him for life. You scared of the struggle, I breeze through mine. I know when it's over, I'm seeing the light. Who got a light? I'm trying to get high. Shout out to Swish, I got deals on the line. A nigga won't book me, just hit up, get busy and send him the chicken, we beat it.
Set us up, nigga, pack a punch. You the one that they gassing up. I admit, but they tagged him up. Hustler, bitch, I'm my daddy's son. Everything he ever touched was out of the mud, so that's why they mad at him. I ain't never gave a fuck, I'm running it up to take care of my family now. Mama say she want a crib, so I gotta make it happen for her. You a pussy, what you acting for? Don't give me a reason to slap you, boy.
Reflex, need rest, retext that, oh sorry. Reset these steps, reflect these thoughts. That's watery, this thing, that thing. Can't explain these thoughts to me. Quit playing this game, I'm staying right where I ought to be.
Ego death, leaf rap in rotation. We don't eat, then we don't get no rest. Plus, it ain't how it was when we was kids. The president got Twitter, plus the NFL is rigged. I can't teach you, I can't tutor, but can move you. Lions, tigers, bears, and barracudas. Bullets barrel through you, please maneuver.
Fucking white tears that you cry from your sins and your guilt. We've been dying for years, nigga, it's time to rebuild. Tear down to rebuild. Cast all on my cares, none of them snails gon' prevail. Been in my lab, peeling the lips, broken, been curse and spill. Paying attention to all the details.
Oh, we're going through changes. The sun's coming down and I didn't know what to do. Started raining and I felt so cold with you.
I just long to see your face beyond my dreams, and I swear I'll wait out the age for you and only you. I just long to see your face beyond my dreams, and I swear my love was made for you and only you.
Whole time what Shorty said is she be standing out on the strip. We do not play with no thotty shit unless you got O's like a Addy, bitch. I'm tryna flip it and you tryna kick it. Well, you better know some karate, bitch. I'm in the club and they got me cornered like I don't be dumping inside of shit. Had to not fuck with no rappers. These niggas be lame and I don't wanna politics. Bitch, you a bustle. Give it here and tell your little buddies to get in there.
I don't want a piece, I need all it. Cookies on the beat, I eat all it. Young man on the bench and I'm a baller. I'm here for the money and more dollars. If y'all ain't talking about getting to the bag, then I don't know what y'all saying. His girl wanna be with me, but do I want her? Not at all, my mans. Her man wanna be like me, wanna rap this dope like a contraband. Hoes telling me to count my days. I've been busy trying to count these bands.
Ever seen a dead body? You ever caught a flight to drive back a new Maserati? Yeah. Cherry red exterior. Badass bitch, you know I'm feeling her. Yeah. Top down, get into you. Ain't seen her for 2 days, you know I'm spinning her. Still on my mind, you know I'll still get her. Even though I got the bitch, you know I'll still hit her.
I've been caught a nigga and a cracker. Play both sides like the pitcher and the catcher. Sipping on this yak, all this liquor in my bladder. I'ma drink the pain away until the shit just doesn't matter. I ain't really trying to hear the chitter and the chatter. Always keep my circle with me, make a nigga feel like Saturn. Give me space. I'm trying to get us richer than them rappers that don't even know they slaves, cause they missing all they masters.
I ain't always been my friend. No rewinding when your time comes to an end. So good, let's move forward. Treat it like a last few hours. Press play and all the love you stop, cause you're giving hate too much power. If we only had 1 minute, would you do all the things you didn't?
Life's a marathon, not a race. Word in the great. Surrounded by these widows, so I'm feeling out of place. I think they thinking I'ma lick down these songs up in my face. And love forbid a nigga play with me if murder was the case, yeah. So why you take my granny, why you take my mama? Since like the day they left me, I've been having drama. I feel like my whole protection you just took away. But Lord, just come protect me, I'm just trying to stay. Yeah, for a while, see my kids smile. Now I'm finally winning, I was losing for a while.
Mama, I made it, that's right, your son, he did his thing. And all it took was some patience, so hard I work for this. I know I'm deserving this. I pray for the day I can make a way, I can make a change before I see the grave. Pray for the day I can make a way, I can make a change before I see the grave.
Whole different animal, whole different breed. I done grew up from a boy to a beast. Whole lot of heat making harder to breathe. Step up the beat, I'm like bon appetit. They don't understand what they cannot see. Yes, a young kid with some hope and a dream. Told them to stay, but they wanted to leave. Now they want hooks in the verse for the free.
Life's short, but live it how you want to. That's my advice. Ran off on the plug twice, you might die tonight. Whole hood at your visual, singing Silent Night. The homie strapped, it's time to ride tonight. That's the cycle. She remember the time I thrilled her like Michael. Up the soul healer, if it's dealer, it's the white folks. Ain't shit worse than a rat in my eyes. I'm living life though. I know lokes, vice lords, and disciples.
I booked a plane ticket to LA. Gather my money that I've saved. I think it's time that I leave you, babe. I realize that I don't need you, babe. You lost. You gon' miss me when I'm gone. When you sitting all alone, you'll conceive that you was wrong.
Fuck these fake niggas, that's the mindset. Gotta stay focused through the process. I can see you hating and it's obvious. Cut them niggas off cause they toxic. Niggas toxic. Had to cut off cause she was toxic. Toxic. Ay, niggas toxic. Toxicity plaguing my ethnicity. You got bad blood, stay out my vicinity. Fuck these fake niggas, that's the mindset. Gotta stay focused through the process. I can see you hating and it's obvious. Cut them niggas off cause they toxic. Niggas toxic. Had to cut off cause she was toxic. Toxic. Hey, niggas toxic. Toxicity plaguing my ethnicity. You got bad blood, stay out my vicinity. They showing fake love, they not who they pretend to be. Can't play you close, I feel repulsed by your energy. That ain't godly, that's them demonic entities. You niggas ain't my posse, y'all my frenemies.